Well, she's looking kind of bare back here. Well, it's Monday, December 9th. Back out here at Daryn's shop.
Got lots of metal bent yesterday. He went and did that. Got the refrigerator cabinet built. Got lots of car parts over there to start putting that car back together.
That's gonna probably be next month, trying to get this project wrapped up before we start another one.
Got a roll-up door. It's got to be painted, but it is going to go right here. So that'll be nice. I'm going to start peeling all this double sticky tape off, which sucks. Got that cabinet, that cabinet, that cabinet to do.
Then maybe I'll get to polishing. Doug's on his way out. He's going to do some electrical work and see what else we get into. Thanks for hanging out with us and rebuilding with us. Was heading for the home stretch, and then
Daryn acquired a roll-up door for these two cabinets here. So now they got to remodel them.
2 steps forward, 1 step back. That's the way it goes. And Doug's been hard at work. This outlet was up there. Moved it down there so it'd be at counter height. Run a junction box here so we can put an outlet on the end here for the tire grinding station. Put the union in and relocated the air line so it'd be equal with the box instead of up in the ceiling. You're blowing up.
Yeah, I have some issues.
Now he's putting the styrofoam back in, aka insulation.
Well, she's looking kind of bare back here.
Still got the toter for sale.
Guy called Friday, said he was coming up to the dome, wanted to come look at the trailer Saturday. He come looked at it and said, I'll be back tomorrow to pick it up. So the trailer is sold. He took it home on Sunday. Daryn is gone to PRI, so we won't be going to work on the trailer.
Doug is currently replacing blinds in here. Getting her figured out.
I got the one figured out. It's opposite of what you think.
Does that go to the back?
Goes like this.
He's already replaced the bathroom one. It's the easiest one to get to. Be in tip-top shape now. Put a little light on the subject down there.
There it went. There she goes. Okay. About a 1/4 inch gap is what I had. This one's only got 2. Oh, I had 3. It's straight.
Just like that, blinds changed.
Oh.
Tight.
They're snug.
You're not all the way down on the left side.
Oh.
So we got all our lights in that need to be replaced. There's a whole bunch of them. Like this one. That one should be lit. That one should be lit. We're replacing that. Then got a whole bunch of these. Bulb out, bulb out, bulb out, completely out. Headlights look good though. Bulb out, bulb out, bulb out, bulb out. Completely out, bulb out, bulb out. Got a lot to get done. Actually, not a lot. Have been developments on this though. I don't have to polish any of the shiny aluminum anymore. It's going next week to get that done by somebody else. The truck's going next week. Hoping to have the trailer done, our part of it, by the end of next week. And then once the truck's done polished, we'll take the trailer there because they can't get them both inside at the same time. We will have to buff the white, which is not that big of a deal. So I'm excited about that. My polishing aluminum is getting near the end. Yeah, we're gonna work on our ejectocito, cuz you said on this side of it, it tries to flip you out. Got a couple loose bolts in it we're gonna fix. I didn't realize that that slide out's not straight, the floor.
It's got a bow to it.
Yeah, right here it's kind of got a bow to our point.
Uh-huh. Let's see if this works. This needs some major.
Well, we went from that's as bright as the rope light got, to that. Big difference. Big difference. She's bright. Now that's the first one to go up. We're going to put it all around and up there. Same way down this side and in the back room. I think we're going to maybe leave this one. I don't know. See what happens. I'm just glad to finally be doing something on a toter instead of polishing. That'll probably be tomorrow though.
Fuck, I can't reach it.
Pulled this wire out and this whole line of lights started working. So that one was just a loose connection. There's no burnout bulbs in it. This side, on the other hand, it did not fare so well. So we went ahead and ran a new one there. I'm gonna run new ones over there too. But man, that mirror makes a world of difference. Holy cow. She glows.
Found it.
Found the remote?
Yep. And then they busted that
Corner.
angle tray. I gotta rebound it.
Yeah.
It screws out of it.
The screw's hanging there.
I know, but they must have
Hung on it.
Yeah.
He did get all the blinds put in yesterday, so them are good to go. It's 4 o'clock on a Friday. I think it's time to go home. My daughter's got a basketball game tonight, so head to Daryn's tomorrow to hopefully finish polishing. And he'll be back from PRI, but he has to work tomorrow. So
Well, it's Saturday. Time to get back to shining. We have successfully wore out a pad. Got new ones in this week, so we can get back to it. Finally, last panel is done. I did that one and this entire stack today. And I am glad to be done with that. Daryn did get a little work done in here. We're waiting on tape and stuff. We got that panel in, got the register in, cabinet painted, countertop on and mounted. Got these doors in. All them doors are put together and ready to go in. We're just waiting on tape from S&S to get here. It's been ordered, I don't know, Tuesday I think, got ordered. But I am glad for this polishing project to be done. Ready to do something different like I did yesterday with the lights. Them are not done, still got a lot to go there, but appreciate you watching us rebuild this trailer. We are definitely on the home stretch, I think. It's always subject to change. I know they're going to put that roll-up door there. Maybe one more piece of aluminum I'll have to polish there once he figures out what he's going to do there. But we'll see. That panel goes up front. Got that roll-up door over here that's got to be painted. It's going to be painted white and go where the spring smasher and shock dyno is. But we don't have a shock dyno, so I don't know what we're going to put there. But thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Thank you to all you guys that watch. Daryn was at PRI Thursday. He messaged me about 10 o'clock and he was astounded the number of people that come up to him and talk to him about this YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. We'll catch you all next week.